Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can use a voice changer on Discord mobile. So if you guys want to change your voice and have fun on Discord mobile, you can set up a voice changer on the Discord mobile, and through this video, I'm going to show you the guide. So if you want to change your voice on Discord, you need to have a third party application, and because Discord doesn't have built-in voice changer features, and this is how you can set it up. First, you can just install a voice changer app on your device, because several voice changer apps are available on Android and iOS, and it will work with Discord. So some of the popular ones are Magic Call for Android, Voice Mode also Android, and Voice Changer with Effects also for Android. And for iOS, you can use the Celebrity Voice Changer. And in here, let's just say I'm going to just find the Magic Call app. Okay, this one's right here. This is the voice changer app. You can tap on install. So you can just wait until the download and installing process is finished. Okay, after it's finished, you can open the app, and then in here you can just sign in to the app using your Google account. So just tap on continue with Google, choose your Google account, and now you can just explore the available voice effects such as kid, grandpa, robot, female, or male. So just choose your preferred voice effects. For example, this one. Here you can just tap on try. Don't forget to grant the required permissions, Microsoft Access. Here just choose the kit and click on try. And now you can just tap on call in here, and then you can just open the Discord. Okay, and now you can just select, after you select the voice effect that you want to use, and then you can you need to make sure that the magic call is running in the background. Now you can just making the call in Discord. You can just start talking in the Discord voice chat, and the app will apply the voice effect to your audio. So you need to know that you need to ensure the app is active and the mic is set to your device microphone, so the voice changer can process your voice in real time. So guys, that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.